Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have a Samsung Galaxy S10 or even the S10 Plus or S10E, and basically you have a black screen issue. Don't worry about it, guys. You're going to get your phone up and running right now, okay? The thing is, it's typically caused by a firmware issue, and this happens to all phones, not only the Samsungs, but even the iPhones, all the other Androids. You will get this once in a while, okay? If you're lucky, you won't get it for years, okay? So it's very, very simple to do, okay? Now, this phone obviously is fixed. The thing is, when you have a black screen, you may still hear it like ring or vibrate. You might see some LED lights. Anyways, I'm going to show you two ways for a possible fix, okay? So what you need to do is do what's called a forced restart, and it's going to be a two-key combo, okay? So this first way is basically just grab your phone right now and go ahead, and I want you to press and hold two buttons, the volume down and the power button, okay? So let's go ahead and do that now. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold. Do not let go. Pretend there's nothing on my screen. It's still black. Keep holding until we see the Samsung logo. Just wait. Just wait. It's coming. Come on. Might take a while. Might take 1 minute. I had some older phones that took like 3 minutes. Okay, there we go. Now you can let go and your phone should be back up and running. Now the thing is, if it's not, guys, you got to keep trying this 3, 4, 5. This times I did it on my 6th time and it finally worked. Okay, if you did this 6 times and it still didn't work, what I want you to do next, and I had some success with this as well, is go ahead and grab your charging cable, and then what you want to do is plug it in. Go ahead and plug it in and wait about like 5 or 10 minutes, and then come back to your phone here and do the same thing while it's plugged in and while it's charging, okay? And do the same thing from here. So while it's plugged in, do the same thing. Volume down, power button. Press and hold and continue to hold until you see the Samsung logo pop up. Just continue to hold. Keep holding. Don't let go. It's going to be too early if I let go right now. Wait till the Samsung logo appears. Come on. Okay, there we go. Now you can let go. Now the thing is, if it's still not working, guys, leave it plugged in and try it 3, 4, 5, or 6 more times. Anyways, this should get your S10 or S10 Plus or S10E back up and running. If it did, guys, give me a like, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you on the next one, all right? Thanks, guys.